Today I have kind of a quick video. I just wanted to kind of show off these nice wire cutters I got. And they're just some basic wire cutters, but I really wanted to see how well they did against some of the cords that I was working with. I actually am working on kind of a retro project right now, and I'll tell you guys more about that once I get closer to finishing it. But let's go ahead and open these up and see how well they work for what I'm going to be using them for. So these are what they look like. Kind of has a nice kind of plasticky thing on the outside for grip. Doing a pretty hard squeeze. It has a little portion in here too. I don't know if that's for stripping, but I think it's just for like a regular kind of grip. So I have a little bit of wire over here, and this is actually doorbell wire, and it's really thick. This is, if you notice when I bend it, it bends and it keeps its shape, and it kind of, it's very tough. It has a very thick piece of copper in the middle. Oh, that was really easy. Ooh, look at that. Hardly any press. Immediately comes off. Let me zoom in right there and show you that copper thing I'm talking about. If you look right here, it has a pretty decent sized copper piece right there. And I'm kind of using these to hook up an arcade kind of set of buttons on the inside of a project I'm doing, but let's see if we wanted to cut two of these at the same time. Easy. I don't think this is a stripper. No, it's not. Let's see if I triple these up, how well it would cut. So this is 4 wires at once. Easy. And honestly, this is going to save my relationship too, because I might have been using my fiance's fabric scissors to cut wire. Don't do that. But yeah, these work really good, and I'll put them in the description below. I know this was a short video, but I just wanted to show you guys, and I hope you enjoyed. And thank you guys so much for your support.